What's up, everybody? This is the serial filler for the SPX case. It's been a long time since I've run a RAS or a break, so it might be a little bit rusty. We're going to go live. We're live at 526. It's 526 here in Utah. We're going to take this list. Drop down, Nick on bottom, Nick on top, Mikhail on the bottom, Mikhail on bottom, Nick on top. So we're running both lists 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And guys, I'm just doing the 3rd timestamp since we're doing 2 lists. Hope that's okay with everybody. And then that is in at 527. It's 527. Okay, I'll take that list and put it on the spreadsheet. There you go. And the numbers: 1, 2, and 3. And that was in at 527. Still 527. There's the number list. And we will take this. So, Marty, you got 5. Mikhail, 4. Marty, 8. Rob, you got the 101s. Grant, 9. Mikhail, 7. Grant, you got a 10, so that's technically 0. Grant, 2. Grant, 3. And Nick, 6. Guys, there you go.